Thank you so much for tuning in or for watching this program. I will be your tutor, Madam Rahab. So, first and foremost, before even we begin, I am going to tackle um, composition writing in paper 3. I'll also take you through several aspects of paper 3. It includes the writing of essays for the compulsory text and also the optional text. And before we continue, I would like to ask you to kindly subscribe to my channel. Yeah, as we continue. Yeah, so before even we go further, we have three papers in English. That is paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3. Paper 1, there's writing, which is functional writing. And this functional writing includes things like writing letters, writing posters or designing posters, reports, things like shopping list, parking list, which is in form 1. A diary is also in form 1. And when we go to form 2, we meet things like posters, writing posters, official letter, business letter, apology letters, and so on and so forth. And as we continue, we are exposed to many other forms of functional writing, which are a bit complex. Things like writing minutes, report writing, and allow me not to talk much about those functional writing. Also in paper 1 is where you get the close test, which is usually 10 marks. There's also where we get the oral skills, which are 30 marks. 10 marks come from an oral poem, and the other 20 marks come from the other oral skills aspect, such as homophones, silent letters, performing maybe a speech or anything, and you ask questions about listening and speaking. We shall expound so much on that when we reach there. Um, when we go to paper 2 is all about appreciating literature, grammar, or we call it literacy appreciation. So there we get comprehension, which is usually 20 marks. And then we get an excerpt or an extract from the compulsory text, the set books, and then we also get an oral literature question, which is used it's interchanged with a poetry question. And finally, we get questions on grammar, which is usually 15 marks. When we go to paper 3, the first question is composition, imaginative composition, which is your 20 marks. It is in two forms, A and B. Then we get an essay from a compulsory text, and then we get an essay you choose from the other optional text. So let's continue with what we said. We are talking